Okay, what's your science experiment, girls?
My science experiment is
Good look here at the video.
it will harden and it will make a big mess after that, and then we're gonna make stuff with the crayons then.
Okay, and Becky, what's your hypothesis as to what's going to happen? Yeah, ice cubes.
The ice might melt, and I mean before when we were trying to do it, we put some water in it, and the water leaked all over. But now we put some ice in it, and the ice might melt, and then it might leak out and turn into water again.
Okay.
Wait for 1 second. It's turning like it's red, so I think that it's turning red. So it's starting to harden, and the red is dripping down. It was dripping down on the white thing.
Now, Susie, explain to me when you said that you think both you and Becky are going to be right.
Because it's kind of the same thing. Because it will harden first, then it will melt. So it's kind of the same thing. We both kind of will be right.
So you'll be right first, and then Becky will be right?
Yeah, so we kind of will be right. The both of us.
And Becky, here you come in front of the camera again. Do you think you'll both be right, or who do you think will be right? Susie, are you eating your experiment?
I don't know, but I think me and Mama's choice is right.
You think you and I are going to be right that the ice is going to melt?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I can't wait to see what will happen. We're gonna.
Jimmy did an experiment. And when we were going to dinner, before we were going to dinner, and at home, the ice were all melted after dinner.
You're talking about Jimmy's experiment when he put ice on a plate and wanted to see what would happen?
Yeah.
Okay.
He wanted to watch it until it would melt, but then we had to go to dinner, I think, and then when we got home, it was all melted.
Okay, so you think the same thing will happen. His experiment will end up the same way as yours. And now what will happen with all the crayons and the crayon paper in there?
Well, they might all get wet and just a little hard, or maybe they'll be all hardened.
Okay, well, I can't wait to find out. Susie, you got to make sure you don't eat all the ice, otherwise the experiment's not going to work, okay? All right, we'll see.
I think, hey, my ice is getting smaller.
That's because he was talking on it.